Well, hello, my name is Sam Rangel from UponThisRock.com, and I'm here to show you how we make these animated graphics that we have on our website. Again, UponThisRock.com is a website where you can go and find free Christian graphics that you can put on your website or your blog, and today I want to show you how we do this. There's a program that we use called Zara 3D. And you can find it anywhere. It's about 30 bucks to purchase. We have a link on our website where you can go and find it and purchase it and make your own graphics. Well, this is what we do, and I enjoy it. I like making these graphics, and today I just wanted to share how we do this. So first thing I did is I clicked on the text button here, the text tool, and I'm going to delete the preset text that they have here, and I want to change it to something that we can put on the website. Today we're going to put a graphic that spins that says praise the Lord, praise the Lord. So let's write that in, P-R-A-I-S-E, the Lord. All right, praise the Lord. Now I don't like this font, so what I do, I highlight the font, and I go over here and I click on the different list of fonts I have, and we'll go up, see what we have. Using the up arrow and the down arrow, you can go and scroll through. Ooh, I like that. Scroll through the different fonts you have, and I've decided to go with this one called Darn Noisy Kids. I say darn because this is a Christian show. All right, here we go. Click OK. Now I don't like the frame, so let's get rid of the frame. You click on the border here, and it'll erase the border, and now you have just the text. Now up on the top you have a little button that called a start-stop animation button, and with this you can click on it and watch it go. What it is, it's a button that makes it move, and we've already preset the animation we want. Click this bevel off, and we'll go over to the animation, which is right here, and it's already set to go to rotate 1 and front face only. I like front face only because I don't like showing people the back side of the letters. But if you like that, you just unclick this and you get the back side. It goes a little faster. But I kind of like the front side. And there's so many things you can do with this program. And I'm only going to teach you the basics. But if you play with it some more, you can really come up with some really nice animation. So let's stop the animation. Now what I want to do, it's got a little shadow here. I don't like the shadow, so let's get rid of the shadow. You go over here to the shadow button and just unclick it, and it's gone. You don't need that. So now let's change the background. So you go up here to color, and instead of text, you want to go to the background. Click on background, and let's go with a white background. You just drag your mouse up to the corner here to white. Now you got a white background. Now how about the color of the text? Well, same place here. We're going to click text faces. You can choose all of the text, but I like text faces, and I'll show you why in a minute. Click on text faces, and then let's pick a color. Let's go with kind of a dark blue. Now you notice it's kind of light, and that's because our lights are still shining kind of bright right there. So we can move these around so that the light is facing the front here. And again, all this I learned just from trial and error, and hopefully that you won't have to do all this trial and error. After you watch this video, you can just go and skip through all this stuff that I learned to create some really cool graphics. Now let's do the text sides. Click text sides here, and let's get this, how about a yellowish? How about yellow? Yellow, kind of a gold. Move it over a little bit more, get a little goldish color. That looks cool. Alright, so let's do the animation, see what it looks like right now. Now that's cool. I like that. But we're not done. Let me show you what else we can do. Let's put in the background an image. If you want to use a color for background, that's cool too. But I want to show you how we do text, not text, but texture backgrounds. So we click on texture right here. Texture on, I'll click on, and it's going to open up a window where you can find a bunch of different textures that I've already accumulated. You can find textures or pictures online, and since it's only going to be a small graphic, they're easy to find. Let's go with Here we have. We got a sky background, sun rays. Ooh, I like that. Let's go with that one. Sun rays background. Now you notice it's kind of small, and that's okay because we're going to make this graphic small. I think it's going to be a little too small for us. Yeah. So let's pick another one. And to do that, let's go here to texture options, and we'll load the texture. And again, cancel that. We're going to go to make sure it's in the background. Load the texture, and click another cloud back. How about, oh, I don't want that one. Cloud back, that one looks good. Now that's a big graphic. Alright, so we can move this around. That looks cool right there. Now if you notice, I've been changing the size of the graphic, because with Zara 3D you can change the graphic and it'll automatically resize the text to fit. So let's make it a good size that'll fit good on a web page or a blog. That's good right there. Now watch the animation. It looks cool. Now, praise the Lord, just right there in the middle of the cloud, just spinning around. I'm going to stop that. Now here's something that I like to do. Let's say we want to get the, go to the texture again. Let's say we want to put texture on the faces of the text. What we'll do here now, again, we've selected text faces, and let's go load texture. And let's find Cloud Back 3 again, and look what happens. That texture that we put on the back, now we put it onto the front of the text. Now watch it go round and round. That's cool. I like that. Let's change the text sides, and I don't want to give that a texture. I want to give that color. So we'll go with color again, text sides, and we'll make it the dark blue that we put on the front. Now watch it go around until it looks cooler there. Alright, so that's what, now once I have that done, I'm going to stop it. There's so much more we can do. We can mess with the beveling, make it bigger, wider. Look at that. But that's just too big. So we're going to make that. And if you notice, I put my cursor and it automatically changes to the extrusion tool. And I make it bigger, smaller, just depending on how I move the mouse. That's good right there. Alright, so what I want to do now, I want to save it, and I want to add it to my web page. So we click that, turn that off, and we're going to save it, save or export animation. And we're going to put it into my graphics folder. That's already ready to be uploaded to the web. And I'm going to call it Praise the Lord, or the PTL in the clouds. And I already have one called that, so I'll call it PTL in the clouds 2. And to GIF. Now look at it asks you what size you want it. You can have it user defined, where it'll you can determine what size you want it, or you can do a current window size, which I think is perfect. Leave it there. I like using as many colors as possible. And then transparent, no, because I like the background. And if I do it transparent, it'll save without the background back there. So let's keep the background in here. We'll call save, and it'll save it for us. And now I can upload it to the Upon This Rock webpage, and it'll be there tomorrow. Or yeah, it should be there tomorrow. I'm going to upload it today, and tomorrow you'll see it. And take a look at it. I think you'll like the other graphics on there. But you notice that with this program, it's really easy to make your own graphics. Not a lot of graphic design ability necessary, just a little bit of creativity. So take a look at it, and we'll see you a little later. Thanks again. Blessed.